Hello, good morning. This is Naz from NB Network Lessons. Hope everyone's doing okay and in high spirits and ready to get their brain stimulated because brain stimulation is the best exercise for you to think aggressively, all right, to solve the problems and so forth. This is a pre algebra lesson. It's lesson number 12. It's continuation of my lesson 11, 10, and 11, where we've been solving problems in algebra. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and solve few more problems, and then my next topic is going to be a very, very important topic. It is order of operations. You're going to use that throughout your life, no matter you become a accountant, engineer, scientist, mathematician, physician, physics, whatever subjects you are going to choose, you're going to use the order of operations. So let me say that again, order of operations, which is my next topic. Don't miss it. Having said that, let's go ahead and have some more fun and solve some algebra problems. So basically, like I explained you in my previous lectures, when you're solving an algebra equation, you're basically unwrapping a big box, then you're unwrapping another box until you isolate the variable which you're finding. So let's show you how. So let's say you have a problem which is z over 9 plus 5 is equal to minus 1. I want you to find z. So this is the big box. Now we're going to start unwrapping it. So our goal is to isolate z on the left hand side of the equal to sign. So what I'm going to do is, since I have plus 5, let's get rid of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and subtract 5 from both sides. So plus 5 minus 5 is equal to minus 1 minus 5. In an equation, if you do something on the left hand side, you must do that on the right hand side also. Remember that. So when I do that, this 5 cancels, and then z over 9 is equal to minus 1 minus 5 is going to be minus 6. We're not done yet. So we unwrap the big box. Then we got another box right here, this box right here. So we still have to unwrap this box. Okay. So how do we do that? Now, if you think about it, if I multiply both sides by 9, I will just get z on this side. So let's show you how. Z over 9 multiplied by 9 is equal to minus 6 multiplied by 9. Okay, this 9 and 9 cancel. Agreed? So we are left with just z. So we just unwrapped our last box. That's fantastic. Negative 6 multiplied by negative 9 is 54 with a minus sign. So that, my friends, is the answer. So how's that? Okay. Now, if you're a little hazy on multiplication of signs, like what is minus multiplied by minus, minus multiplied by plus, and so forth, if you check out one of my collections in algebra, you'll find it. All right. Let's do another one quickly. That's okay with you guys. So I just want all my pre-algebra students to learn by solving examples. That is the best way. Okay. So let's say we have k over 5 minus 1 over 2 is equal to 3 over 2. Find k. Okay. So how would you do that? Well, like I said, it's a big box. We got to unwrap. So let's say if we can get rid of this minus 1 over 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add minus 1 over 2 on both sides. So k over 5 minus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 is equal to 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2. Now, as you can see, this right here, negative and positive half cancel. We're just left with k over 5 is equal to 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2. All right. Now what we got to do is we unwrap the box, but we still have a box in which we have to solve this first, right? So what is 3 over 2 3 plus 1 over 2? As the bases are same, okay, and if you take the lowest common denominator, you will see if the bases are same, I can just add 3 and 1, so it'll be 4 over 2. So then k over 5 is equal to just 2. Now, by this time, you should already know how can I isolate k completely, because this is the last box which I'm going to unwrap. Multiply both sides by 5. If I do that, k over 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 2 multiplied by 5. This 5 and 5 cancel. All right. And the answer I get, k is equal to 10. That is my final answer. As you can see, 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. So that's all I got for today. Catch me up in the next lesson. If you like the contents, please go ahead and give me a like, and also follow me along so that you can stay up to top of algebra. Thank you, and take care of yourself. I'll see you next time.